Welcome to viewers. We are discussing sums on angles of elevation and angles of depression. This is from class 9 CBSE curriculum. So let us quickly recall the concepts of angle of elevation and angle of depression. Say there are two buildings on the ground at the same level. Say these are two buildings, right? Now suppose one person is standing on this building, at the top of this building. Another person is standing at the top of this building. Now both persons are observing the towers in front of them. Now for this person, let us join an horizontal line through his eyes, which is parallel to the ground level. That means this line and this line parallel to each other. Similarly, for this person, let us draw a horizontal line which is parallel to the ground level, right? Now, this person is making eye contact with the top of the tower. So this is the top of the tower, right? This angle is called angle of elevation. And this person is making eye contact with the foot of the tower. So this is called angle of depression. So this is angle of elevation E1, suppose. This is angle of depression D1. Now for this person, this tower is at a lower height than this tower. So let us make an eye contact with this person with the top of the tower. So this is called angle of depression D2, suppose. And for bottom of the tower, this person is again making eye contact with the bottom of the tower. So this is another depression of angles. This is say D3, right? So these lines are called a line of sight. This is one more line of sight, right? So you understood what is angle of depression and angle of elevation. So here D2, D3, D1, these are called angles of depression. And E1, angle of elevation, right? E1 is called angle of elevation. Now let us try to solve a few sums on these concepts. Question number 4 from CBSE lesson 9 class 10 curriculum. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. So let us imagine this tower. This is the ground level. Now imagine a point, suppose this is A, at a distance 30 meters from the foot of the tower. Say this is B. Now angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower. So angle of elevation of the top of the tower from this point. This is 30 degrees. So we have to find the height of the tower. Say it is C. So you are given that AB equal to 30 meters, right? Angle CAB, this is what? CAB is called 30 degrees. Angle of elevation from this point. This point is 30 meters away from foot of the tower. That means AB equal to 30 meters. Angle CAB is 30 degrees. Here the line of sight is this line. AB is line of sight actually. We can call this line of sight. Line of sight, this one. And this is horizontal line. Horizontal line. This is actually eye level of the eye, right? And this is line of sight, means eye contact with the top of the tower. Then we have to find what is BC here. Now in triangle ABC, you see tan 30 degree equal to, what is tan 30 degree? Tan 30 means opposite by adjacent side, AB. What is tan 30? Sin 30 half cos 30 root 3 by 2, tan 30 1 by square root of 3. Here BC is unknown, AB is equal to 30 meter. So what is BC? BC equal to 30 root 3. Therefore, height of the tower is 30 root 3 meter. Right? This is the height of the tower. Let's come to question 5 next. A kite is flying at a height 60 meter above the ground. Imagine this kite. It is flying 60 meter above the ground. Let this is the ground level. This is 60 meter. This point. Say AB equal to 60 meter. 60 meter above the ground. The string is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. String of the kite is tied to a point on the ground. Say this is this point C. It is tied with the point C, and it is string is making 60-degree angle with the ground. This angle is 60 degree. Now assuming that there are no slacks in the string, means there are no slack. It is straight. There is no slack in this string. We have to find the length of the string. What is AC here? This is hypotenuse of the triangle. So we were given AB equal to 60 meter, angle ACB equal to 60 degree. What is AC? String of the length of the string. Now imagine, remember the trigonometric ratios. This is with respect to this angle, this is opposite side, this is hypotenuse. So ratio of the opposite side by hypotenuse is sin theta. Sin 60 degree equal to AB by AC. Sin 60 degree is, what is sin 60 degree? Sin 60 degree root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. AC means it is unknown. AB equal to 60. So AC multiplied by square root of 3 equal to 120. AC equal to 120 divided by square root of 3. So if you rationalize the denominator, you will find this, right? So 340 is a 40 root 3. Therefore, length of the string equal to 40 root 3 meter. So this is the length of the string. AC is 40 root 3 meter. Let us come to next question. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from 30 meter tall building. There is a 30 meter tall building, right? This is say ground level. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. This building is 30 meter height. So this is AB, and he is at a distance 30 meter from that tall building. Say this is C. This distance is 30 meter, right? The angle of elevation of his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks toward the building. Say he is walking from C to D. Earlier the angle of elevation of the top of the building, this was 30 degree, and after walking from C to D it becomes 60 degree. So it becomes 60 degree, right? So find the distance he walked towards the building. What is CD? So we were given AB equal to 30 meter, right? Then angle ACB equal to 30 degree, angle ADB equal to 60 degree. What is CD? You have to find CD. Now let us use trigonometric ratios. You are given AB, so you can find out BD. So ratio of AB is to BD here. tan 60 degree. Here tan 60 degree equal to opposite by adjacent BD. So tan 60 degree, sin 60 degree root 3 by 2, cos 60 degree half, tan 60 degree square root of 3. AB it is 30, BD. So BD square root of 3 equal to 30. Right? So what is BD? BD equal to 30 divided by square root of 3. If you rationalize the denominator, it becomes 30 root 3. So it becomes 10 root 3. BD is 10 root 3. Now let us come to triangle SABC. In triangle ABC, tan 30 degree equal to, this time AB by BC. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. BC is unknown, right? What is AB? 30. So BC equal to 30 root 3. So you got BC and you got BD. Then you can find CD now. Therefore, CD equal to BC minus BD. BC is 30 root 3 minus BD. BD equal to 10 root 3. So this is 20 root 3. Therefore, the boy worked 20 root 3 square root of 3 meter. Right? 20 square root of 3. So he worked from C to D, he worked 20 root 3 meter. Okay. So thank you viewers for watching these sums. We will discuss a few more exercises in the next video again. Keep in touch.